Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Black Sierra Folding Hunting Stool, a versatile and lightweight tripod seat that's perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Built for the outdoors, this chair is your go-to choice for hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, and even sports games, offering a comfortable design with durable poly Oxford extra-wide seating for all-day comfort. Its extra-large feet provide exceptional support and stability, while the heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame can support up to 225 pounds, ensuring lasting support wherever you go. Measuring 20 inches high, 16.5 inches long, and 16.5 inches deep when open, this chair is both sturdy and spacious. Portability is a breeze with the included carry strap, making it easy to transport whether you're camping, hunting, hiking, or just enjoying a day on the sidelines. Plus, its quick folding capability makes setup and takedown a snap, ensuring you spend more time enjoying your activities and less time fussing with equipment. So, if you're looking for a reliable and convenient seating solution for your outdoor escapades, the Black Sierra Folding Hunting Stool is your perfect companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.